Batman. Wearing my Batman shirt. We're going to go to the, what is it?
Rides by the river.
Rides by the river at Armature Works. Heard on the word on the street that there's a new Batmobile that they're going to showcase with some of the new costumes coming up with the new Batman film from director Matt Reeves, starring Robert Patterson as the new Batman. We're going to go there and geek it out.
So we just arrived at Armature Works. There are a lot of people here for this car show. So let's go check it out, see what they have. This right here is Danny's dream car. It's an old Mustang. What year is this, babe?
I don't know.
How's
1970 maybe?
How's it your dream car if you don't even know what year it is?
It's the type of cars, the old style Mustangs, because of that old retro look and feel. And just the build. They just don't build like them, like they used to.
Right here is a Rolls Royce. Look at this thing. And I guess you can actually rent this. It has a phone number and everything where you could call and rent this. Batmobile here for the new movie. I don't know if you can really see it in there. See if we can get in this line where you can walk up to the actual Batmobile. How cool is that? That's awesome. This is for the new movie that comes out when, honey?
March 4th.
March 4th.
Wow, right here we have the Riddler. Penguin. Some girth to it. Super. God, look at this. I never realized how wide this thing is. And look at the dials. Oh my god. This is so cool. Dials and knobs and a dashboard. And I didn't realize they didn't even have a room for another passenger in here. Big block tires. And the engine. God, it looks so mean. God. And over here, Patterson suit. So much detail. I wish I could get rid of the reflection from the screen. And then Catwoman right here.
Like they're not saying it's book.
This actually is the QR code if anyone wants to do the QR code on this to find out more information or sign up for the newsletter. So while we were here, we picked up, well, not picked up, we're gonna eat. We got some guava and cheese empanadas with like a cinnamon milk sauce. So this will be good to try. So we got that. And then we also got a Cuban sandwich with like sauce. No. And so this is the Cuban sandwich. So we're gonna give this a try and see what it tastes like. We're gonna split it. Got a little kick to it. I think it's for these, whatever these are yuca fries, I think. Right. Yeah, it's like a sweet sauce, but it's got like a little spice to it. It's good, whatever it is. It's kind of like a garlic. I don't know the name of it though.
Is it like a cilantro sauce?
Yeah, that's it. Cilantro. Tastes like cilantro.
Are they these yucca fries?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So let's take a bite and try this. This is good. And they get the bread from La Saguna Bakery, which is a famous bakery in the Tampa area.
All right. Let's try this sauce right here. I'm not gonna spill it. All right, I'm gonna try it here. Hopefully I don't spill it out on myself. It's really good. It's light, a little garlicky, but not too strong. And I'm not even sure, are these yucca fries?
Yeah.
Because they're not too bland. They have some flavor to them, right? Because they're lightly battered a little bit, or at least lightly fried. Yeah, it was very good. I would get this again.
We're gonna try these empanadas. This is like a cinnamon sauce, cinnamon milk sauce. And this supposedly has some guava and cheese in it. So let's try it. A thick sauce, it's very thick. Let's try it. I have not gotten to the guava and cheese yet. That was just like the outside of the shell. You can definitely taste the cream cheese in that. Look at all the filling on the inside. Definitely taste the cream cheese.
Is this something you would order again?
I think this was like $9. So it's a little on the pricier side, but.
All right, let's try this. So tiny, look at that. So tiny. Tiny little empanadas. I actually like this. What sauce is this?
It's like a milk cinnamon something?
Oh, milk cinnamon. Yeah, that's what I'm tasting is the cinnamon. I never would have paired that. Cheese and guava fried, but then with cinnamon on top of. I guess it's like a little bit like a churro, but with an empanada form. It's actually really good.
Would you order it again?
It's a bit pricey. How tiny it is. But yeah, it was really good.
This car we saw walking out, this is a hot rod, from what I'm told. Look at this. Oh, it's a hot rod. I'm getting corrected, guys. Look at this. Lime green. Look at that.
All right, now that we're back in the car, so that hopefully the microphone can pick up better audio, you know, less away from the crowd and the wind, I'm able to better describe to you the Batmobile. And oh my God, it's so cool. Right away, when you start seeing it in a first person, you realize how wide the vehicle is. I mean, I've been told it's a bit of a mashup between an old Camaro, parts from a Plymouth and parts from a Mustang, all pieced together to form the amalgamation that is this new Batmobile. And that it was the original Batmobile that was used in the actual film. They actually are touring, I guess, across the states. That it used to be in Dubai, and I guess they flew it over, I guess? I don't know. And on top of that, the costumes are the actual real costumes worn by the actors in the actual film that's coming out. So that was really cool. And then as we walked into the interior of the Batmobile, all insane amounts of detail in terms of the dashboard being this retro, futuristic kind of display with all kinds of flips and switches. And the passenger side, it's like that there was no room there for an actual passenger. I don't know if that's going to be in the film or not, or for what that was just an implementation detail for the stunt works. But it then leads back to the back of the engine of the car, the actual rocket they attached to it. That's just, it's so huge. It looks like it's a piece out of a airplane that they just stuck in the back of a car. The whole thing just looks insanely sick. It's got me a lot more excited for this film. Like I'm ready to go see it. COVID or no COVID, I don't care. I'm gonna go see it. Actually, we're gonna go see it. It's not gonna be just me. It's gonna be me and Cherry. But that being said, I wish that I had more time to look at the car, to notice the details. I felt kind of rushed because you know, they were ready to getting to close the event down. We had only a few minutes left, and on top of that, there was a huge line of folks waiting for their turn to take a picture with the Batmobile. So it was, you know, I felt like I wish I could have stared at that car a lot more, because there was just so much detail to observe. It might be probably my most favorite Batmobile, because it's so grounded on reality. It seems like it's plausible, like it could actually exist in real life. Oh man, I'm psyched. I'm psyched to see it. And then the costumes, oh my God, insane details on the costumes. I could go on and on about how cool they look in real life. So yeah, I'm glad I came. It was really cool.
All right, so that is going to do it for today for our little trip to Armature Works, to this car show. The Batmobile was cool. He got a lot of entertainment out of that. And
We got
anyhow, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next destination.
peace.